Toshiba Telephone Systems. Founded in 1975, designed for small to medium-sized organizations. Sold through a dealer network to American businesses and organizations. There is no longer manufacturer support for the Toshiba phone system, but we still do. Atlantic Business Systems. For over 30 years, we have supported thousands of small to medium-sized businesses just like yours, with new phone systems, upgrades, and telephone system repairs.
Call us today or visit absphones.com.